one of the countries committed to helping or to receiving and accepting former President Rodrigo Duterte. We heard Representative Castro from the House of Representatives mentioned the word impeachment.
Regarding po sa interim release, any update po at kung meron na po bang bansa na nagpahayag ng pagsuporta or pagkanlong sa Pangulo?
Yes, yes, sir. If you can check the ICC website, there is a request for interim release filed by the defense team of former President Rodrigo Duterte. And if you can read through the redacted portions, you can see that there are two countries that was named there, and one of the countries committed to helping or to receiving and accepting former President Rodrigo Duterte.
What are those?
Unfortunately, sir, I cannot talk about the contents of that petition. Only the lawyers of President Duterte can talk about the request for interim release, because some portions of that, particularly those items that were redacted and considered as confidential, can only be between those who have a privilege, lawyer-client privilege.
Maiba naman po, regarding naman po sa, hingi lang po ng reaction regarding sa sinabi ni President Marcos ngayon na he chooses to focus on helping or people's needs rather than the impeachment. Reaction lang.
Well, good for him, and so we hope to see some sort of truth to his statements that he is focusing on helping our fellow Filipinos and doing something for the country. Unfortunately, if you talk to the ordinary citizens and the Filipino community abroad, we don't see anything at all.
One last question po, ma'am. Regarding po sa mga cases na sabihin nag-aabang sa OVP sa Philippines, especially yung sa isinampa po sa Ombudsman, yung OVP was given 10 days to react po sa may ginawa na po bang hakbang ang OVP regarding?
Yes, sir. We received the order to comment.
Yeah.
Yes, we received the order to comment of the Ombudsman for 10 days, and we intend to file our answer within 10 days. We've been preparing for this since November of 2023, the moment that we heard Representative Castro from the House of Representatives mentioned the word impeachment. So we've been preparing for this, and we've hired lawyers since 2023. So they will answer. We will provide the answer within 10 days.
Thank you so much.